single deer around here. Oh, 12 from just him. Then there was 3 over here and 5 behind me. It's coming from all directions. It's bow season. That was not a shotgun. That was a pistol. That was a hunting rifle. And behind me was a hunting rifle. I know the difference. I wouldn't say a word if it's somebody shooting a shotgun. Squirrel hunting. Used to it. I'm gonna tell you, last year I let it get me worked up. I almost got a big fist fight with a guy that was innocent. I started to jump onto the wrong person, so I'm not gonna say a word. Just gonna get these videos, post them, and if the game warden shows up after these people, blue Nissan Frontier, newer model. That one's on the side-by-side, driving around that field shooting a deer. That one's probably on private property behind me. It's aggravating though. I'll sit out here for days soaking wet, miss 2 deer in the rain. See, I mean, I'm literally, I think I've got pneumonia from sitting here in the rain. My bones, I'll ache down to my bones. And I missed a big buck yesterday, so I'm depressed. I don't know. It was weird. It's pouring the rain. I don't know how. I don't know if I got a bad batch of arrows from Barnett or what, but this crossbow always shoots good. Straight on, dead on. I shot that arrow earlier, and it raised up a little bit. It shot high by about 2 inches, 3 inches. Oh, yeah. So I gotta keep that in mind because that was about 15, 20 yards. See? Anyway, I'm gonna go find me a new place to hunt. God bless you.